Welcome. I'm here to help you learn how to create these split clips for your edits. If you have any requests, all you have to do is like and comment it down below. But if you don't want to wait for it to become a new YouTube video, you can go to my Ko-fi page, linked in the description, and pay me to make the tutorial and send it to you only. Most of the details will be on the page, so check it out if you're interested. Without further ado, let's get started. Get your clips, choose one, and head over to Mask. Choose Rectangle, and adjust it how I do here. When doing this, I recommend you to make the box a little skinny instead of having it thick. In doing so, it should fit on the screen better depending on your format. Do the same thing to the other clip. When you're done, choose a clip as your overlay. Shouldn't matter which one. When you drag it over, make sure it's a little ahead of the main clip. Then shorten it so the clips can end at the same time. After, make sure one clip is at the top corner and the other is at the bottom corner. Make sure front part, which is this part, pass halfway of the screen and create sort of a square box on the side. Now go to the end of the clips and add a keyframe, then add it at the beginning. At the beginning keyframe, move the clip out to the side till it's not visible. Then do the same to the other clip. Go to Graphs, then Linear, and add a beat in the middle of the line and copy what I do. Do the same with the other clip. And I don't know why the clip is glitching here, but try your best to ignore it. I couldn't fix it. If you want to, you can add a white photo here and create a flash. Select Overlay, then shorten it till it's only a little left. Go to Animations and select Fade Out. Make sure it's on max duration. Now duplicate it, then duplicate it again and drag that duplicate to the start of the overlaid clip. Duplicate it one last time. When it's to your liking, head over to Export, and you can choose any resolution you want. but I highly recommend you change the FPS to 30. And just like that, you're finished. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. We are 30 subs away from hitting 100 subscribers. So if you're looking forward to more tutorials, join my non-existent community, and I will continue to post as much as I can. And as always, thank you for choosing to watch my video.